Hi, this is Vizi Broad for you channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable developer option on Excel. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Developer is the built-in Excel tab known as the Developer tab offers the functionality required to use Visual Basic of applications and perform macro operation. By default, the tab is disabled. To have it appear on the toolbar at the top of the Excel window, you must first enable it in the File Menus option section. On my previous video, I showed you how to turn on the developer option. And now what if you want to disable it? You want to hide the developer option. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Excel. Now, as you can see on my toolbar, on my ribbons, there is an option developer. To disable this feature, to hide the developer, is so simple. So here's the developer. You can just click right on the toolbar right here, and there is an option ribbon setting. You can just click on that. Now you can see there is an option main tabs. You can just see there is an option developer. You can just click on the developer. Now you can just click on OK. Now you can see on my ribbons there is no more option developer on that. It's so simple, right? So that is how to disable developer option on Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.